Let's see how to transfer domain from wordpress.com to Hostinger. So at first we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel as well as our WordPress account. After that, from the Hostinger Edge panel, click on Domains. Now from the top, click on Add a new domain. Click on Transfer an existing domain. Add your domain name here and click on Transfer. And here it is showing us the option domain is locked at the current registrar. So now we will go to wordpress.com and visit our site dashboard. After that, we are going to click on Upgrades and then Domains. And then we are going to click on Transfer. And here we will see an option Transfer Lock. So we are going to turn it off and then click on Get Authorization Code. And in this way, authorization code will be sent to your registered email. After that, just go back to Hostinger Edge panel, click on Check again. And in this way, Transfer Lock will be turned off because we have done that from wordpress.com. And after that, we need to add the authorization code here and then click on Transfer. Once you are done, you will receive an email on your registered email address and you can confirm it from there, and in this way your domain will be transferred from wordpress.com to Hostinger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.